Welcome to Business Benefits TV. This is a production of BBI Benefits, and we're a benefits advisor and broker in Andover, Massachusetts. We work with companies of 20 to 200 employees, companies just like yours, and we help you use your benefit dollars more cost effectively. What we're going to do is we're going to put out a series of 3 to 5 minute television programs every 2 weeks or so. And the idea behind them is going to be to give you ideas on how you can use your dollars more effectively, how you can save costs. Find things that resonate with you and ring a bell. And we're going to put a response button over here so that you can send back in and ask for the information on the specific projects we're going to talk about. Now, I'm the host. I'm Jim Edholm, and I'm the president of the company and the host of the show. And the challenge, of course, Edholm's not a common name. And so one of my clients was very kindly worked out a way to help you and me and my employees remember how to spell my name. It's E D H O L M. Everyday health care on less money. That's what we're all about. That's our whole job. Now, granted, health care is not the only employee benefit. It is the 800-pound gorilla. It is the guy that demands the most attention because it spends the most of your resources. Lower that health care cost, you've got more working capital. It's as simple as that. That's our job. That's what we try to do. That's what we work at every day. So we're going to start out, as I said, it's going to be every couple of weeks. The first 3 shows are going to be based on 3 strategies about health care, ways that you can save money. The first is the health reimbursement arrangement. It is a mechanism that is a very useful mechanism, not properly used in many cases, but wisely structured. It will allow you to reduce costs and reduce your risk without affecting your employees. Second thing we're going to do, we're going to talk about health savings accounts. Most brokers don't really understand them, don't push them well enough. Most employers, smaller employees, especially the 20 to 200 employee groups that we work with, don't have the health savings account, don't understand how much money they could be saving and how much money they could be putting into the employees' hands instead of their carrier's hands. So we're going to talk about that next. The third one we're going to talk about is self-funding. That's a really alien concept to most brokers. But the fact of the matter is that properly structured, all the way down to 5 lives with certain products, you're going to be able to share risk with the insurance company in new and innovative ways. And you can often save money at the rate of 10 to 20% of the cost of your health care plan. So those are the 3 things we're going to talk about. We're waiting. We will send anybody who signs up for this, we'll send you automatic notifications of the show. In the meantime, if you want, you look over here, there's an address you can respond to, and you can get a written report, a 5-page report on those 3 techniques that we're going to be talking about. So thanks very much for your time. I look forward to seeing you the next time. Look at about 2 weeks, sometime around Father's Day or the summer solstice. We're going to be there. I look forward to talking to you. Thanks. Bye.